11th standard English students. Now we are going to learn about the model verbs that we can learn that lexical competency, that vocabulary testing. So what is the model, then how we will identify the model verbs. So here, but you must go out of this room immediately. So for examples they have given here: oh Lisa, you should go out and see some friends. Okay, but you can go out. So can, must, should. So these are modal verbs only. Look at the sentence Smoch says. Just we can look at what they have said, what they have used these modals verbs. Let's see how modals is used in above slide and why it is used. So through this PPT we can easily understand this modal verbs. Modal verbs definitions, structure, how to use. Modal verbs definitions here. A modal verb is a type of auxiliary verb that is used to indicate modality, that is likelihood, ability, permission, possibility. We can use that modal verbs. Type of auxiliary verb that is used to indicate modality, that is likelihood, ability, permission, possibility. Two of my friends can play guitar. So two of my friends can play guitar. What is the modal verbs here? Can. So can, it refers ability. So modal verbs, list of modal verbs: can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, act to, must. So these all can be called modals. Structure of modal verbs: subject first, I, we, they, you, he, she, it. So these are subject. Modal verb: must, can, should, may, will. So I must, we must, they can, you must, you should, you can. So alternate, just we can alternate of subject, the modal verb. He may, she will, it must. And main verb: go. I must go, we must go, they can go, you should go, you can go, he may go. That is a main verb. Okay, drink, we can drink. Eat, he may eat, she will eat, it will eat. So main verb do last. Here we can do. So here, first one sentence here: I must go to sleep. That complete meaning. So what is the modal verb? Must. Subject I, main verb, and complement to sleep. I must go to sleep. We can drink some water. They should drink some water. You should drink some water. You may eat some food. She will eat some food. It will eat some food. It will do some exercise. I must go some exercise. We can drink some. No. It will do it will do some exercise. We can use. She will do some exercise. He may do some exercise. So we can use that for modal verbs. Use the basic form or infinitive of the main verbs after the modal verbs. So after the modal verbs we can use the infinitive verb. So what is the infinitive? To plus main verb. Simple base form of verb. Infinitive, the main verbs after the modal verbs you can use. Modal verbs do not add s or es to the third person singular. He can swim, the correct. He can't swim is not correct. So only a base form of verb only we can use third person singular. If we have, we can use verb plus yes. But if we want to use modal verbs, we should not use yes. He can swim, he can't swims wrong. Okay, he can swims correct. Modal verbs: simple and continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. So how we will use these modal verbs? I would work, I would be working. So simple levels model. A continuous also we can use model. Would. I would work, would is a model. I would be working, would continuous. He would work, simple, would. He would be working. It would work, it would be working. they would work, they would be working. So simple and continuous forms, the modal verbs we have used. Perfect and perfect continuous. I would have worked. I would have worked. This is perfect. Present perfect also we can use. Would have. Have worked. Perfect continuous. I would have been working. He would have worked. Perfect. It would have been working. They would have worked. They would have been working. Perfect continuous. Modal verbs don't need auxiliaries to form negative and questions. Modal verbs don't need auxiliaries to form negative and questions. She should stay. She doesn't should stay is wrong. She should not stay. That correct. She should stay. She should not stay. So we can use the alternative negative and a positive way. But she doesn't should stay is wrong sentence. Why does she stay? Why should she stay? That's correct. Modal verbs don't have infinitives or ing forms. Modal verbs don't have infinitives or ing form. For example, canning, wrong, can only. To might, wrong. Only just can use might. So that's modal. So don't use infinitive and gerund, ing, for modal verbs. How to use these modal verbs here? Can first. Use ability, possibility. So how we will use for this can? So can use for ability, possibility. For example, they can control their own work. They can control their own work. Impossibility also we can use for can. We can't fix it. Asking for permission. Can I bring here? Can I take this water? Can I take this book? So that's you can ask for permission. Request also we can use for can. Can you help me? Can you help me? So that's modal verbs can. Next, would. How will you use the would? Permission, permission, request, possibility, future, ability. Permission. Would I borrow your dictionary? So that's permission. Would I borrow your dictionary? Request. Would you say it again more slowly? Possibility. I think we would have another tea. Future. I wish control CNDRL would meet me next week. Ability. He gave up his old job so he could. So that's ability. So same types can. How did you use? So here past of can. Could. So we can use easily. Next, may. Permission and possibility. Permission. May have another cup of coffee. I may finish my homework. So that possibility. Might. Possibility only we can use. We would better phone tomorrow. We would better phone tomorrow. They might be eating their dinner now. So that's for possibility. Act 2. Saying what's right or correct. She have to finish by next week. She have to finish by next week. So that's saying what's right or correct way of time. We can use for act 2. Shall. Offer, suggestion, permission. Offer, suggestion, permission. You can use for shall. Shall I help you with your luggage? That's offer. Suggestion. Shall we say 2:30 then? Permission. Shall I do that or will you? Shall I do that work? Will you complete? Will you mingle with me? So that's permission you can use for shall modal verb. Should. Saying what's right or correct. And also possibility. We should solve this problem. Saying what's right or correct. So we should solve these problems. Possibility. Fees should decrease next year. Fees should decrease next year. That's possibility. Future plan you can use. Will. Decision, offer, promise. Decisions. I can't see any taxis, so I will walk. That's decision. Certain decision we can use for this modal verb will. So actually will we can use for future level. So here I can't see any taxis, so I will walk. So that's decision. Offer, I will do that for you if you like. I will do that. I will do that for you if you like. Promise, I will come back on Monday. I will come back on Monday. So that's you can use for modal verbs promise. Would. Permission. Would you mind if I brought it friend with me? Request. Would you mind waiting a moment? Invitation. Would you like to play basketball this Friday? So everything's permission, request, invitation you can use for would. Modal verbs would. So here might, should, could, shall, will, must. So these are modal verbs. Just they have given. So that like. So we have learned clearly this modal verbs. Okay, so general functions of modal verbs and their usage. Asking permission, will, shall, can, may we can use. Express politeness, would, could we can use. And possibility, may. Ability, can we will use. Obligation and duty, should and should. Okay, okay. You should not waste your time. That's obligation, that's duty. We should go to school regularly. That's obligation, that's our duty. Moral obligation, act to, and act to we can use. Habit of the past, used to. So that is used to, that's a quasi model. Okay, so used to, need, dare, act to. So everything's quasi model. So now we have learned only modal verbs. So here I clearly we have understood. I hope you all. Thank you, students.